Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple headband without sewing. So for this we need your headband, 1/2 inch, your glue gun, your holeless beads, and you will need some of this flower appliques. I have here flower, butterflies, and leaf applique. So what I'm going to do to make this, you're going to first spread your glue around the headband just like as I'm doing here. Then you are going to take your leaf first, then a flower, then you are going to put a leaf also again for this. Then after that you are going to spread more glue if your glue on it is not enough, just as I'm doing. Then you are going to add up your bead and the butterfly and a bead also at the other end. Then you are going to repeat the first step again of spreading your glue and also adding your leaf, then the flower and the leaf also. You are going to repeat this step till you are done. This is very easy to make and it's very beautiful also. And if you've enjoyed watching this so far, please like, share, and also subscribe. And I would love to say this is something you can do for this festive period. It's something that is going to be really nice. You can make it for personal use, you can also make it to sell, and it's really nice and it's easy. You don't have to spend so much time doing this. In less than 5 minutes you can do this. There's no need for anything, no sewing or anything. Just have your glue, your headband, and your beads and this appliques. I got mine from the market where I get my fabric things and designs and appliques. So you can also get this from your local market wherever you are, and also check up on stores that sells designs for clothes. They'll most likely have it. So thank you so much for coming, visiting my YouTube page. My name remains Naomi, and I'm so glad to have you here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. This is the final look of the headband after we're done fixing everything. You see how beautiful it is. And if you enjoyed watching this, follow for more of DIYs, easy DIYs you can do. Thank you. Bye.